Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 7.6 question number 7. Right? Exercise 7.6 question number 7. What it is given, you see, I equal to integral x into sine inverse x dx. Right? Using the highlight, which one you consider as u? Highlight, inverse trigonometry. So u equal to sine inverse x. Then the rest of the thing it comes under integral dv. Integral dv equal to integral x dx. When you assume which one you consider as u, that you are going to do the differentiation with respect to x. Du equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Here, when you integrate dv, you will get it as v. This one it comes under x square by 2, right? You know, integral x power n dx equal to, what is the formula? You have to recall the formula, children. Which is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, right? Now, what is the formula? I told you integration by parts. U dv equal to uv minus integral v du. Minus integral v du. Now, you have to listen carefully, children. Then only it is easy to understand the things, right? Now, integral x into sine inverse x dx equal to, what is your u? Sine inverse x. What is your v? We found x square by 2. X square by 2 into sine inverse x minus integral v du. I say, right? Then v du means what? X square by 2 into 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Did you understand, children? Say yes or no? Yes. Now, x square by 2 sine inverse x minus, this one I am going to modify by using the denominator. I am going to modify, then only I can integrate. How I am going to modify? I am going to add 1 and subtract 1, right? Add 1 and subtract 1, right, children? Say yes or no? 1 minus 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 into 1 minus x square dx. Got it, children? Still I didn't get the denominator format in the numerator. So I am going to do, what I am going to do, you have to listen, right? The minus, see, outside one minus is there, no? That I am going to use and multiply the format. X square by 2 sine inverse x plus, then minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 minus x square divided by 2 into root of 1 minus x square dx. Now you see this one, it looks like your denominator, right, children? Now I am going to split the format. X square by 2 into sine inverse x. I am going to split, I said, right? Minus 1 by 2 into root of minus 1 by 2 into dx divided by root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Got it, children? What I did, whether did you understand or not? Say yes or no? Yes. See, based on the denominator, I am doing the modification in the numerator. So, I added 1 and subtract 1. Then minus I use and multiply. Then only I can get the denominator format in the numerator. Right? Now, I am going to integrate. See, x square by 2 sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 into what is integral dx divided by root of 1 minus x square sin inverse x, right? Plus here you see you have to shift the denominator to the numerator. You will get it as 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square into dx. Root of 1 minus x square into dx. That is also, you have a formula, right? That I will tell you the formula, right? Integral root of 1 minus x square into dx equal to x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into sine inverse x, right? For this is the formula, right? Now, I equal to x square by 2 sine inverse x minus 1 by 2 into sine inverse x, right? Already 1 by 2 is there. That 1 by 2, it becomes what? Plus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4 into sine inverse x plus, see, the arbitrary constant is very important, children, right? Now you see, if you want, you have to simplify, or otherwise you leave as such, right? Sine inverse, you have to take it as a common, then you have to simplify. If you want, you do, otherwise you leave as such. Now I am going to move to question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9. I equal to integral x into cos inverse x into dx. Right? Here I'm going to do in a separate method, right? Not like your previous. See here, I'm going to adapt substitution. T is equal to cos inverse x. T is equal to cos inverse x. Why I am going to adapt this? The cos inverse only is the first function you want to consider as u. If the integration becomes complicated, so the inverse trigonometry I am going to convert into trigonometry, right? The integration is complicated, so that I am doing the inverse trigonometry converted into trigonometry. How I am going to convert into trigonometry, that you have to listen carefully, children, right? X is equal to cos t. X is equal to cos t. Now you understood? Now how I is going to change? I equal to integral the t cos inverse x, no, t, x should be replaced by what? Cos t. Now you want to differentiate this. How to differentiate? Tell me. Any idea? Yeah. dx equal to minus sin t into dt. In the integral, everything it comes under t. The dx also you have to write it in terms of dt, right? Minus sin t into dt. Got it, children? Integration is complicated, so that you are converting the inverse trigonometry into trigonometry. Right, children? Now you see equal to integral t minus t into cos t sin t dt. In the integral we had three functions, so we can't do anything. We have to use the trigonometry identity and modify. After that only you can integrate, right? So that what I'm going to do, multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Then what it becomes? 2 sin t cos t into dt. Now you understand, children? Now this one I'm going to convert into what? Which trigonometry identity I'm going to use it here? Sin 2t. Got it, children? Now I equal to minus 1 by 2 into integral t into sin 2t dt. The three functions I converted into 2. Then only it is easy, because you know that integration format as 2 only. When the function comes under product, you can use integration by parts, right? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral b du. Now this is your u, this is your integral dv, right? Algebra and then trigonometry, right? U equal to t integral, the rest of the things it comes under integral dv sin 2t into dt. Got it, children? Now du, you want to differentiate the function what you which you consider as u, right? Du equal to dt. Here it becomes v equal to minus cos 2t divided by 2. Minus cos 2t divided by 2. Now we understood, children? Yeah. Now I'm going to move to the format. I equal to already 1 by 2 is there. Minus 1 by 2 into uv minus cos 2t divided by 2 into t. Cos 2t divided by 2 into t. Then minus into minus plus. Got it? The 1 by 2 I am going to multiply. Minus into minus plus. Then integral what? 1 by 2 into integral b du. Here what is your v? V is minus cos 2t divided by 2 into dt. Got it, children? What I am doing, whether did you understand? Now formula base you have minus, so minus into minus plus, v you got it as negative, right? Now 1 by 4 into t into cos 2t. Here minus 1 by 4 into integral cos 2t into dt. Integral cos 2t into dt. Now you want to integrate, right? 1 by 4 t cos 2t minus 1 by 4 into sin 2t divided by 2 plus c. See, whatever it is I told you, the final result should be in the form of x. So I am going to modify the t, right? I am going to modify. How I am going to modify, you see, using the trigonometry identity first, right? Which is equal to 1 by 4 into t into the cos 2t, 2 cos square t minus 1 minus 1 by 8 into sin 2t can be replaced by 2 sin t cos t plus c. Now we understood or not, children? Now, which is equal to 1 by 4 into t into 2 cos. This one you have to cancel 1 by 4. Right? Now, 2 cos square t minus 1 minus 1 by 4 into sin t. How I am going to write, you see? 1 minus cos square t the whole power 1 by 2 into cos t plus c. Now you understood, children? Sin square t equal to 1 minus cos square t. This one you know very well. Sin t equal to square root of 1 minus cos square t. That I wrote it here. Right? Now, now t is what? Cos inverse x. Right? So, I equal to 1 by 4 into cos inverse x bracket 2 cos square t. What is cos t? We consider x. So 2x square minus 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus x square the whole power 1 by 2 into cos inverse of what? Cos, sorry, cos of cos inverse x plus c. Now 1 by 4 into cos inverse x 2x square minus 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus x square the whole power 1 by 2 cos of cos inverse x can be written as x plus c. Once again I will show you the previous step, children. Then only you can understand, right? See here, cos inverse, what you assume, the first step, t is equal to, that I will show you, that only it is easy to understand. T equal to cos inverse x. X is equal to cos t. That I used at the end. What is, children? That I used at the end. See here, cos square t can be replaced by x square, the same 1 minus x square. Then t can be replaced by cos inverse x, cos of cos inverse or cos inverse of cos x, x. Now we understood, children. Shall I move to the next question? Yeah. Now I am going to move to question number what? Question number 11. Right? Question number 11. I equal to integral x into cos inverse x dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Right? Say yes or no. Here, which one you consider as u? Using the highlight, inverse trigonometry. Right? U equal to cos inverse x du equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. The rest of the things it comes under integral dv, I told you, right? Integral dv equal to integral x dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Right? Say yes or no. In the second, I'm going to adapt. Here, I'm going to adapt the substitution. Right? If I adapt substitution, the integration part is easy. Right? Let 1 minus x square equal to t square because it is in the form of root. So, I took Then I'm going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. Minus 2x equal to 2t into dt by dx. Now 2 cancel. Minus x dx equal to t into dt. Minus x dx equal to t into dt. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Now, x dx can be replaced by what? X dx can be replaced by t dt. Got it? Now I am going to move to the original format. What is the original format? Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So I equal to v I didn't find, right? V I didn't find, no? First we have to find it. Now integral dv equal to integral minus t dt divided by t square. Divided by t square. Got it, children? Say yes or no. Now t cancel. V equal to integral dv equal to integral, right? Integral dv equal to integral x dt. 1 minute, children. Integral dv equal to integral x dx divided by, right, root of 1 minus x square. Then 1 minus root of 1 minus x square. No, sorry, children. 1 minus x square as t square. So here I committed mistake. The integral dv equal to what I consider? Integral dv equal to here minus t into dt divided by t, because root of 1 minus x square only I consider as, sorry, 1 minus x square I consider as t square. Then I substitute. Then what can I get here? You see, v equal to minus what? V equal to minus t. V equal to minus t. Now, what is t? V equal to, now you can apply here, then you should go for that. Integral uv. What is your u, children? U is u equal to cos inverse x. What is your v you found? Minus t minus integral. What is your v? Minus t into what is your du? Du is nothing but 1 by minus, right? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Got it, children? See here the variable in terms of x, here it is in t, that you want to change. How to change? Minus cos inverse x. The t can be replaced by root of 1 minus x square. Minus into minus plus. Again minus integral. Then what it should be? T can be replaced by integral 1 minus x square. Root of 1 minus x square divided by, sorry, into dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Now you understood, children? Say yes or no. Now this and this cancel. what you arrive at the end, again I will explain, right? Which is equal to minus cos inverse x root of 1 minus x square minus integral dx, which is equal to minus cos inverse x root of 1 minus x square minus x plus c. Once again I will explain, children, you have to listen because this one little tough you people feel, right? See your inverse trigonometry you consider as u. Once if you consider as u, that should be differentiated, right? Du equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Integral dv equal to the rest of the thing, it comes under integral dv. Here directly I cannot integrate, so I adapted substitution. 1 minus x square equal to t square. Then I differentiated with respect to x on both the sides. I arrived the result as x dx equal to t dt. X dx equal to t dt. Then integral dv equal to minus t dt divided by root of 1 minus x square. But I consider 1 minus x square equal to t square. So it becomes t. V equal to minus t. Then you go to the original integration. I equal to uv. So minus cos inverse x into t minus integral minus t into your du is also negative. So minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Here two variables are there. So everything you are going to convert in terms of x. So t should be replaced by what? Root of 1 minus x square. Then you differentiated. Finally, you arrive minus cos inverse x root of 1 minus x square minus x plus c. Got it, children? Thank you, children. You have to go through. If you can't understand, you should ask me. I will explain again. Once again, thank you, children.